house. So we cannot convert here now because of certain reasons. But whatever be the case, you will still have cola. But just I will not say we are presenting cola. Your Excellency, the people of Onelga welcome you. We're happy to have you in our midst. For no singular purpose but to make us happy and realize that we are part and parcel of the state and government of Rivers State. It is in that light that we have put everything we have together to present to you. They say the head of a good woman is never shaven outside. So we will not bother unwrapping everything. But I know standing before me with me here are also some of the traditional rulers here to lend support to what we are doing. You are welcome. And with these things we're presenting, which represent the color of the land, we're asking God to bless you. We're asking God to be with you. We're asking the land to always be with you wherever you go, 9 days always. We're saying to you that you should be strong and of good courage. Nothing is amiss and nothing can go amiss. God makes and He chooses in His own way and in His own time. And once He has done, everybody will up and follow accordingly. We pray that you continue to be yourself, continue to rule the state, and concentrate in governance. Because all that is needed is your heart, your courage, and that thing, that zeal that makes you move forward. Every other thing will make you fail. So focus and let the drum beats be rolled out in its due time. So come and read that, please. We have only figuratively tried to tell you that they who the gods delight in, all they have is celebrations upon celebrations. In our society, you either celebrate with the clapping of the hand, or you do with a gong. Of course, you know we are normally announced with a gong. You could also do with our traditional flute. Sometimes the drums are rolled out. When these three are complete, celebration and blessings are complete. So it is not ordinary that we chose to be symbolic. Of course, Oba, you know, we are symbolic here in Onelga. And whatever we do with a purpose. So these are for you, Your Excellency, along with the other things that are there, which we will not mention. But we've not forgotten that we also have the man never walks alone. Because he never walks alone, we cannot forget the better heart that makes you who you are. I know that our father here, Odili, cannot be who he is without his amiable wife. That is why whatever you do, you dishonor her, you dishonor all of us. So nobody can do that anyway. So we pray you, as you go, please remember to hand over to Her Excellency. It's small, but we know he will take it the way it will come. Thank you, Your Excellency, and God bless you.
Thank you.